something as stupid as...
What? This is so useful. What a way to start a video. Okay, let's shoot that.
content banana wapas.
You guys as my friends make it so comfortable I forget we are recording.
Then be uncomfortable.
Don't get so comfortable.
I used to drink a lot, same till 24, 25. I bit a guy once when I was blackout drunk.
Me, Varun and Kautuk, and we wanted to click a photo in front of a wall. And I had to find rock. It was the Berlin Wall. It was an important wall.
Yeah, mention that. Start with that.
I don't know why I didn't lead with
You mentioned it like, yahan peshab mat karo wala wall koi hai random.
A couple of my friends have dumb phones.
Yeah?
A phone where they take calls,
Yeah.
messages,
Yeah.
but no WhatsApp. I was like, how do you function because all your auditions and stuff are coming?
Yeah.
No, for that I have my iPad. Then he said, I was like, what the fuck is happening? And I've got like this new live looper, you know, Ed Sheeran.
Yeah.
I just bought it for myself.
Are you going to perform in Bangalore with it?
I'm gonna perform it. Yeah. Guys, come to Church Street and watch me get pulled up.
I didn't know there were solutions to
Yeah.
pimples.
Have you heard of this thing called dermatology?
What is a dermatologist? When I shoot reels at home, right under my house is a turf. So every time I was recording without the Holyland, halfway through, पीछे से background से आएगा, अबे लौड़े मारना नहीं आता है क्या? Hello, welcome to another episode of Spender Vendor. My name is Govind, this is Hoshang. That's Antariksh behind
Yeah.
Oh yeah, you have a camera to yourself, yeah, that
I have
weird
Karl Marx
angle.
on my camera today.
Yeah, that
Yeah. Our idol, our legend.
the camera's actually on Karl Marx, not on Antariksh, but yeah.
Oh no, actually we hate Karl Marx. He has problems with capitalism, right?
Yeah.
Yeah,
I
but
mean,
we chose
we
this.
also have some problems.
Yeah, okay, yeah.
Yeah.
Little
Yeah,
bit,
some
little
things
bit.
are cheap.
and today we have a guest who came all the way from London just for this podcast.
Yes.
Not for any shows.
Nothing
No,
else.
nothing.
He has a flight directly
Yes.
after this
Yeah,
back to
yeah,
London.
yes, yeah.
Welcome, Adar Malik.
Hi. They wouldn't let me buy, stay for longer.
No,
You come here and just spend that 40,000 rupees on your
Yes.
ticket.
We actually bribe the visa people also.
The Uber is booked. We scheduled it for later to the airport.
It's great that he does his own show online.
yeah. You only see him on the screen for
I
his
made
show.
more effort for this podcast than my own.
Yeah, after this, he'll go back to London, then go online.
He's not even allowed to take Zoom calls on this trip. Only Spender Vendor.
But welcome to the
Yeah,
podcast,
thank you.
man.
I'm really glad, man, because I've been following you guys for so long, and it's like,
Oh, man, thanks. We
It's-
were waiting for you to come. but
Yeah.
It's a different country. We can't be like UK tour.
yes.
Waiting for someone to come to the podcast and say we've been listening to you for so long also is rare for us.
But a lot of fun, dude. I've been watching it, and it's like, so there are a couple of podcasts that I watch, like yours, because it just keeps me in touch with what's happening, and it just like a lot of home. So it's like, the problems are still the same. So nothing's really changed. I can come 5 years later.
Comedians are still irresponsible. It's all good.
Someone said, I saw one comment recently which said that I watched this podcast only to know how not to spend my money.
That's
Okay.
great. That's great.
Okay, great.
Great
Watch it.
comment.
Watch it.
Yeah.
Whatever gets them rocking, dude.
It's you guys, and then there's of course Ranbir Alawat. That's very important.
The best, dude. Of course. How else will you know who to have sex with?
How have we, since it's Spender Bender, don't you need to give your 2 cents as well?
Since this podcast is not at all about that controversy.
Yes, you have to spend, you have to give.
We'll
show
give our
that
2
cents.
rupees
Yeah.
on it. Yeah.
What are your 2 cents? I think the only person whose opinion I want to listen to right now is Urvashi Rodela. In this entire controversy. Just her going, just Samay Rana gifted me a Rolex.
That's what I was going to say. Sari, mera sari. Ye. I love how she has nothing to do. She just talks about whatever
Everything
she...
that's happening.
Yeah. Oh, also, sorry. Hoshang is wearing a...
Headphones.
Is wearing headphones this episode because he has a problem where...
That gets pointed out every single episode.
Every single episode where he doesn't know how to use a podcast mic. Like...
Which is just a
standards.
handheld stand-up mic.
Listen. they're right. I can't defend myself.
You said listen like you had a point.
But the thing is, they use this argument that you are a comic, you like get on stage every day and then you
Yeah.
hold a mic. But when you're on stage, the voice also amplifies, so you know if it's loud or not. If
Right,
people are you
right.
speaking into a mic or not. So yeah, we have found a solution.
But-
I'm gonna wear headphones from now.
Yeah, you want people to hear yourself.
So this is my punishment for the rest of the eternity, I guess.
But when you do 22 episodes
Yeah.
with a mic, you kind of understand where to
But
keep
there's so
the
much head tilting in this podcast.
Yeah,
I have to look
I've-
there. I have to look there.
I've spoken this before. So what he does is, if he's holding the mic like this and he has to talk to someone this side, the mic is there. He's just like, yeah. So what I was like, this is not a normal There's not 3 cameras, 4 cameras.
Dude, you
But yeah.
guys as my friends make it so comfortable. I forget we are recording.
Then be
Yeah,
uncomfortable.
don't get so comfortable.
Be a little uncomfortable.
Yeah.
But
I'll be a little
okay, so
uncomfortable.
dude, what do you spend your money? How are you?
How
with
are you
money
with
in
money? Yeah, what's your
general?
relationship with money?
I have had a very horrible relationship with money, and now I'm a little chilled out. I was like, I think I came from my dad and my grandmother being like, "Oh my god, like, oh, this is 10 rupees more than it was that time."
yeah.
And so it's like every penny needs to be saved, and so it went from like I used to take people, like when I was in my 20s, I used to take girls out on a date and I was like, oh shit, she's ordering. Why does she want 2 drinks? This is too much. This is much.
Doesn't she know it's 20 rupees more now?
Also, why are drinks 20 rupees? This
Why did she agree to come out on a date?
Has this happened to you that the girl orders, you realize it's too expensive? They're like, no, you drink, I'm fine.
That I've done.
yeah.
I've done. I was like, no, I'm on a diet.
Oh yeah, I
Just
dude,
have
I
my
still do
protein
that.
shake.
I
Like
go
got
with a
from
cheaper. I go with a cheaper option or something that will get me drunk faster. Like maybe one shot and then I'm like, okay, done. You drink your drinks.
Dude, that's why I don't drink only. Like it has reduced so much of my expense in my college year and even till now. I just
Yeah.
don't drink. I didn't have a reason why I don't, but it has saved me so much money. I've just continued it forever.
I stopped drinking. So I was, I think, 24 or something. I took somebody out on a date, and she was like unlimited alcohol at this place, and so we ended up spending like it was 5 grand for 2 people.
Okay.
And I was like, okay, let's do this.
Yeah.
And this was when I was doing stand up. So it was like, okay, I do one weekend.
Yeah,
so that's
yeah, yeah,
7,000 rupees per show, 5 shows. So I can give 80% of one show to this.
Canvas
date.
Laugh Club can
Yeah.
give me that money back.
So वैसे करके calculation होता था, and I went out, and then you know what, I broke up with her a week later or something, because she made me drink so much that, and I was like, is this normal? It's like, yeah, this is normal. That's why we broke up, because I forgot my debit card at the restaurant.
No way.
And the morning I woke up and I'm like, oh shit, how could I do this? And just the fear of like, if this is going to be the relationship.
Yeah.
And at 24, you assume that this is going
Yeah,
to,
yeah,
nobody's going to
this is
grow.
it.
This is how you're going to be in stasis.
Correct.
Every
She's
day.
not going to change, you're not going to change. तुम लोग का drinking habit same रहेगा.
कभी डेबिट कार्ड नहीं रहेगा मेरे पास जिंदगी में.
No, but with drinking, I also stopped. I used to drink a lot, same till 24, 25. Then I bit a guy once when I was, I was blackout drunk. I was blackout drunk. I don't remember it. I don't
But
remember it.
24.
Were you talking
Yeah,
to
I
him?
Biting people.
Were you talking to him? Did you know
Dude,
the guy?
I said I was blackout drunk. I don't know.
What's the last thing you remember
I
from
remember
that night?
entering the bar, having a shot. That's when I realized shots fuck me up because I had a drink or something, then I had a shot. Then next day I woke up at home and I was like, yeah, everything's fine. Then my friend called me 5 times, who I was with, the friend I was with. And then I called him back and he was like, dude, you bit a fucking guy yesterday. I was like, what the fuck? So apparently I was just walking around. My friend was elsewhere in the same bar. And then he crossed me, some guy arguing with me. So he came over to be like, isko kya ho gaya? And then he tried to protect me, ki abhe kya hai, isko chhod wod. And that random guy was like, this guy bit my shoulder. and then my friend was like, then fuck him up, dude. I don't know what to say. What do I say? This guy bit your shoulder. After that, I was like, enough. And I lost my phone on that same day.
Oh, no.
Like enough drinking. This is, and I spent so much. I was like, bus ho gaya.
But you all
drinking.
at least quit at 24, which is still a decent age. I quit at 17. Like I started
When did-
drinking at like 13, 14.
Oh, damn.
That-
I started
then you
drinking
should not be
beers.
drinking at all.
Yeah.
Your brain cells cannot handle
all
more
these-
alcohol.
only-
Wow.
You might as well have just drunk petrol or something.
Yeah, exactly. Whitener, sniff whitener.
Another friend of mine, same age, pe
Yeah.
he started drinking hookah, cigarettes, everything.
hookah,
By
stuff
the
like
time
that,
I
yeah.
started, he was like, I'm done, dude. I was like, what do you mean you're done? I just started.
You just reached. Dude, yeah, we were done. We were away from life. We were
started
away from
drinking
that.
at 13.
Dude, when I started drinking, I had decided that the day I vomit after drinking, I'll quit.
That is so bad, by the way. You vomit, of course you vomit.
Yeah, I know. I didn't think of it
I
then.
think
no,
you
like
should
at
have kept
13,
it
you're
the
like, I'm gonna
day-
die if I vomit.
The day I bite a guy is a
yeah,
good
it's okay.
place.
I did not know that was also a possibility.
That was good. That was your fashion Priyanka Chopra moment. I was like,
Correct.
this is enough.
A good place to be in.
Yeah, so I vomited when I was like 17, 18 and never drank a drop since.
You also quit, no?
I still drink, but it's like very occasionally. It's like very special occasions when I'm celebrating like or something with my
Yeah,
wife
yeah.
or something. And now we've got our own little things. Like a couple of friends of mine got me onto tequila, like good tequila. So like Bridge and Varun, they got me
Yeah.
into like, oh, so you just take like, it's neat, just one ice cube and you sit with it.
Oh, you don't do
It's not,
tequila
yeah,
shot?
it's not like
Oh,
this
shot.
horrible shot or something.
Yeah.
No, it's like, you drink it like you would drink whiskey.
I did not even know that was a thing.
Yeah,
And
exactly.
there's good quality stuff that doesn't give you a hangover the next day, and you have like a couple of drinks, and that's good. And like it's supposed and like.
But you have it
less-
neat.
Huh?
You have it neat.
with like
Oh,
Ice or
ice
whatever.
cube.
Interesting.
That's it.
That's like
do
people, how
that?
people have gin.
Yeah, that's it. And so my wife's drink of choice is like now gin, but it's like once in a month or something. We'll sit down and we're like, hey, let's like, or we'll make some like, अच्छा आज हम लोग दाल चावल बनाएंगे बहुत. दाल चावल बना के दारू पियेंगे. Dude, it's a big deal when you're just sitting and having like a good dal tadka. I'm literally carrying a dal tadka that my mom sent. Was like, I don't want to leave it, and I'm gonna carry it around and eat it
You
sometime
had
during
3
the day.
hours in this country and you got dal chawal from
First of all, who allowed you to meet your mom? I thought you were given clear instructions where to reach.
Do you have a bar or something now in your own house?
Yeah, like एक छोटा सा कोना है where there is like 3 bottles. Like it's not that complicated.
Even I
Yeah.
kept like a bar. That's when I was like, okay, now I actually don't have a drinking problem. If
Yeah.
these bottles are not emptying out in 1 week, so I
Yeah,
was like, good.
after a point in your life, you just want to have bottles for other people when they come home. You
Yeah,
don't
yeah,
keep it for
yeah.
yourself.
Yeah.
And like it's now bottles. Like my parents are in the US to meet my brother now, and they went to Hawaii for a week or so. So I asked them to get something from there. Now it's just places I've not even been to. Half my house is that my fridge has a bunch of fridge magnets. Okay? I've been to none of those places. Other people got it for me. One is San Francisco, one is New York, one is Sri Lanka. I've not been, and I live alone. I don't know. It's
At
just
least these are the people you know. I moved into this house, the fridge was already here. The last tenant left some fridge magnets, so it's Colombia, Hong Kong, Vietnam, all the places that guy went to. I don't even know.
Just you're getting a date back. Wow, you've been traveling. Yeah, I've been traveling. How's Vietnam? I've been thinking. Oh, it's very nice.
it's great. Prakash told me it's great. Whoever lived here before.
What do you end up spending the most on in London?
Oh my God.
That's an
this thing's
Sorry,
called.
one second. Oshang, I think there's some. Press your cable in, no? Yeah, that's-
It's not in.
I found new things.
yeah, found yeah,
Dude,
that's-
it took us 100 episodes to get the sound right.
It is so
That's
difficult.
Yeah.
Now we've got the whole Holy Land. This that. It's just been like spent. Dude, they're shooting movies with that, and I like
With
I was
Holy
looking up-
Land?
Yeah. So I was in Chennai. I met a friend of mine. She's filming, and she's filming for like a major OTT. And I'm like, okay, so like it's a small crew, so you got like, how do you navigate this? And I was telling her like, we rehearse when you're doing like you're filming in London or something. It's like there's something new that I realized. You can to save money and time. You don't go to makeup as an actor. You go to set and you perform the scene in front of everyone, including the light, grip, sound. So now everybody, and catering, they're all there watching like a play.
Oh, so
So
they
now
know their...
every person on the team knows what scene. So if it's like a serious emotional scene, everybody knows to shut the fuck up.
Correct.
So the respect and dignity to the entire team were like, oh, we got to watch this now. Now we can go do our job. So there's no bullshit happening during
क्या
the
चल रहा है,
take.
क्या चल रहा है वाला.
And then the lighting happens based. So it's like, acha, it's saving money. So then we were like, acha, so I told her about sound and stuff, and she's like, yeah. So now we are recording with this 10,000 rupee mic.
Yeah, what?
I was like, that's not right because we record our podcast on that. You
That's
shouldn't
what
be
you-
doing
that's what
high
you guys
level.
use your reels for.
I record my reels with that Holly. I didn't know movies, OTT shows were being
Basically,
recorded.
they've committed that we're going to dub.
Yeah,
That is
yeah,
what's
yeah.
happening.
Yeah,
It's
yeah,
like,
yeah,
this
yeah,
is,
yeah.
So this is
going
just
to
for
go
a
to
Just
dub.
backup.
oh, just reference. Since
Yeah,
हाँ,
so it's
reference
like,
के लिए.
it's like quadruple the actors. And they're shooting a comedy where there's so much over talking. So if you're improvising and like you need sound on set, it's like you won't get that.
Yeah. What do you spend money on?
Most,
it?
so
London.
electronics. I have wasted so much money. Like, okay, recently I have bought, and Kautuk hates me for it, but I have recovered my money immediately.
Okay.
Okay.
So this was, we were somewhere, me, Varun and Kautuk, and we wanted to click a photo in front of a wall.
Okay.
And I had to find rocks. It was the Berlin Wall. It was an
Acha,
important
okay.
wall.
Yeah, mention that. Start with that. Don't be
Yeah.
like, it's what a regular
It was
wall.
the Berlin
said a
Wall.
There are only two walls which matter in the world.
So it was the Berlin Wall, and we're standing there. I don't know why I didn't lead with
Yeah,
that.
you mentioned it like यहाँ पेशाब मत करो वाला wall कोई है random.
तो अभी वहाँ पे this it's like a garden. So I had to go find rocks and somehow balance my phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's like, this is a stupid problem, and I kept saying this. I don't know if I kept saying it to my phone, and then suddenly a Kickstarter link popped up. And it solved the problem for me. And I already recovered the money I spent on it by just shooting a couple of reels and like
Yeah.
tutorials, because now suddenly I don't have to hold my phone. So it's something as stupid as this.
I know. I think I know what it is. Yes.
Oh,
It's a phone stand?
that's a phone
The
stand.
phone stand that was in my wallet.
That's insane.
What? Can I see this?
Yeah, and it goes on a tripod as well. So it's just, and it's like, it's got like a screwdriver or some shit like that you can use. I'm not bothered with that, but it just changes how now it's like, oh.
What is this
What?
transformer?
It's snug fit. What? The phone fits snugly on it.
Yeah,
Man,
tight.
it's so
and there's
light.
alag, there's nuts. So it depends
yeah.
on what phone you have. You
Yeah.
can keep
Oh,
shifting.
you can-
Yeah, so there's like.
It's literally called a pocket
tripod.
Yeah.
How much is this for? Is
This
it
was
cheap?
like $30 or something.
Okay.
So, but like already recovered. It's done.
Yeah,
Because If
easily.
you just do one video and it gets 100,000 views.
Yeah,
you're
done.
already
Recovered.
That and then something as stupid as.
This is not stupid.
This
Yeah.
is not. This is great.
Yeah, but
This
they
is
make a
amazing.
lot of fun of it.
Of
Because
course.
it's just, I go out of my
Yeah,
way
yeah,
to find
yeah,
it. It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
these things, I attract them. And then there's something as stupid as.
Actually, just the fact that if someone's clicking,
This is a sticky one. Yeah. I thought that's what you were picking out.
what?
Oh, that's crazy, dude.
Oh my God, man! This is so useful.
Sorry.
This is so useful. I love this. And what a way to start a video. Okay, let's shoot that. Let's
Just
go.
the frustration of content banana वापस.
Like, this is amazing. What is that called?
Dude, I can't believe
This
you can buy
was
shit
from
off of
Shark
Kickstarter.
Tank.
This is from Shark Tank.
Shark
India?
Tank US. I think
It's like
they
a
came
suction
out-
thing.
Yeah, no, it's
Yeah.
not a suction thing. It's just really super sticky, and then there's like alcohol wipes, and you clean it off, and it's like. But I ordered like 5 of them, so but they're all in London. I would have given you guys one.
That's crazy.
It's like $15 or something, dude, and it's just look. Somebody told me, like, hey, how do you get that angle from because your kitchen is tiny. तो वो
Yeah,
kitchen के
correct,
खिड़की पे
correct.
यार वहाँ से light आ रहा है. There's no tripod, so it's like bizarre angles that I'm shooting.
That
with.
is so amazing. You know, sometimes when I'm shooting reels or something, I look back at the footage and I just see how weak my hand is because I see ऐसा and थोड़े time बाद मेरा हाथ ऐसा नीचे जा रहा है. ये हो गया angle from this. I'm like, this is horrible, dude. What the fuck? And it just keeps moving, and I have to pretend like there's no camera here. So I said this would help me so much.
I've been shooting like fake podcasts. Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
I love those, dude.
sit
You
on a
and
couch.
Kaniz, the ones you and Kaniz do are
and
also
she's in
so
New York.
funny.
Yeah.
So I've been matching light, and so we've been planning. So yeah, I've gotten like right now I put up a reel with my wife which she shot in London, and I'm
you're-
the same format that we're sitting across each other.
I saw that also. Oh, your light is perfect. I could not.
And it's an iPhone and an Android, so completely different fucking things. So now what I do is this is how lazy I am, because a lot of them I'm talking to myself.
Yeah.
So if I'm looking at myself on the couch and then I've set the camera up, I'll shoot the other aspect of you. Would assume that I would shoot.
Yeah, you don't
Nope,
even.
I'm flipping the image. It's like lighting ho gaya, sab kuch hai. Why the hell would I move anything now? Just do all the takes like this and then flip the second angle.
Oh,
You
suddenly
know what?
the fridge in the background is the other side of the room.
Nobody cares.
I never thought of that. That's such an easy solution.
You're shooting.
Yeah.
Shit. You can do all your takes like this.
And then
end it.
done. And I feel so stupid doing that whenever I catch myself shooting at home a reel or something, because I do blah 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 blah. Then I walk 3 steps, then this hand blah 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 blah. I'm like, I'm so stupid, dude. If anyone's watching me, this looks so stupid.
You feel like you're stuck in the stone ages of shooting reels.
Yeah.
Like, oh, using your hands? Are you crazy? Or are you insane?
One side of the sofa, other side of the sofa, just walking back and forth, back and forth.
No, I think that's the only effort you're putting in your reels, because sometimes he'll play like 4 characters in the same T-shirt. You can't tell who
You
is
know,
who.
once I put a reel with 4 characters and then it didn't get views, and I was like, but this is a decent idea, why? And then all the comments were, which character is which? I don't even know.
Arey, but put this now. Once I just did like Apple, Android. I was so lazy. I just put Android and Apple on top. So every time you put shift character, yeah, bus.
That's easier.
Anytime you anthropomorphize something.
I just changed my background कि ये कबर्ड का ये साइड वाला बैकग्राउंड है तो वो ये कैरेक्टर है, पीछे टीवी दिख रहा है तो वो अलग कैरेक्टर है.
You can flip for 1 and 2 character and then up and down for the second and third. Yeah. Yes.
But dude, those things are very. But Kickstarter campaign, मतलब they're just
I've
starting
never-
off.
Yeah.
I
And
don't
it's
know
like,
anyone who has bought anything off of Kickstarter. You're probably the first person
Dude,
I
I
know.
do a lot of this stuff from
They ship to India also.
No, they ship to India. I bought these socks, shoes.
Sock shoes. You
Yeah,
bought
so it's
sock
like
shoes?
so I've used them for like I go to the gym in them. So it's like they roll up and they're super. This like I've gone like on like walk like not. You shouldn't walk on sharp rocks, which
Yeah.
I learned the hard way. And I went on a 2-hour hike.
You went on a hike in those shoes.
Yeah, and I was like
Would they
every
roll up?
patthar.
What were you expecting?
Yeah, but nothing hurt me. But I
Okay.
could feel each thing, so that was very bad.
It was
That's-
uncomfortable.
Yeah, but if you're in grass, so I wore them in Ladakh.
Yeah.
And so once you get out of the car, it was grass, and it was this also, damn man. So my wife has friends who are like natives, and they took us to this random place in Ladakh, which was just isolated, and like if something happens, we're lost. So it's this in the middle of and it's like we come here for picnics all the time. There is no one other than the 6 of us and their baby. And
you
next to
don't-
a river, and that baby is growing up like this next to this pristine water, and so those shoes were great because I could walk across the river. They would dry in the sun in like 2 minutes, and then so those.
But
were
if you
very
get
useful.
lost, you're lost with sock shoes.
Yeah.
You're not even real shoes.
That's the problem.
That's not great for survival at all.
Horrible.
Someone finds you like, should we have saved you? What the fuck is
Oh,
that
he has sock shoes. He's not worth saving. This man, this
Also,
man
you
didn't
can't
know what
find
he was
any
getting.
surface to stick your phone on. How are you going to call for help?
But that's a great product. Kickstarter, I'm always afraid that it's a scam.
Yeah. No,
हाँ,
not
नहीं, depends.
lot of them.
नहीं, but like if they cross there, if it was like, oh, we had to get $5,000, but they've ended up with $600,000.
Yeah.
Okay, this might be a good product, and they will definitely.
Yeah.
send
But that
it to
is
you.
before they start shipping out the products, right? Like they raise
Yeah.
their goal, but before they start, because I've seen a few videos of Kickstarter campaigns which were like terrible
And
products.
khatam.
Yeah.
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 Like I saw this cycle, which was like a bladeless cycle. Like the entire
Got
wheel, there
it.
are no blades; it's just hollow.
Yeah.
And it's just the worst cycle of all time, dude. Because there's no friction, so the mechanics they've managed to figure out made it so noisy that it sounds like you're riding an Activa, but you're on a cycle,
no.
and the pedals are very difficult to steer. It's
But
crazy.
it didn't go. It's Kickstarter पे बंद हो गया वो.
Kickstarter पे किया, लोगों को बहुत पसंद आया because it looks futuristic, right?
Yeah.
So they
Yeah.
want to buy it.
Like
So-
a Dyson cycle.
Correct,
Yeah.
exactly. It looked like a Dyson cycle.
Just vacuuming. I think we need Dyson cycles in Bombay, just so it just vacuums the roads.
Especially on this roads,
Man,
dude.
one of the most common Kickstarter campaigns you will see for is for these phones which are like stripped down versions of phones which
it's
keep you
the-
away from your main phone.
Like dumb
Ah,
phones.
Dumb
phones,
phones.
yeah,
Yeah,
not
yeah.
a smartphone.
Yeah, yeah.
And none of them work. There are like a 50,000 of these
But how can they
Kickstarters.
not work? What do
It's
you
just
mean?
No, in the
dumb
sense,
phones.
none of them actually make it past Kickstarter, their Kickstarter campaign.
Oh no, a couple of my friends have dumb phones.
Yeah?
Because they're like, I'm theater, so I'm artist.
Ah, okay,
And
okay,
I need
okay.
to conserve my creativity, and I don't need to watch reels. So it's just then I'm like, okay. Then they have this phone where they take calls,
Yeah.
messages,
Yeah.
but no WhatsApp. I was like, how do you function because all your auditions and
Yeah,
stuff are coming?
yeah.
And then for that I have my iPad. Then he's I was like, what the fuck is happening?
What is-
what is this?
That is
You just doubled your problems.
I like how dumb phone, but then when smartphone, it's a bigger screen. It's a way bigger screen.
They just don't want to be bothered when they're taking a shit. Everything else is fine.
Yeah.
Imagine dropping your iPad in the toilet.
It's actually good because it won't go inside fully. It'll get stuck in the pot.
If it goes, I am leaving it
Ah,
there.
yeah, gone,
I'm trying
gone.
my best to flush it down the fucking
Gone,
toilet.
gone. Then it's gone.
I remember, I think I was in sixth, seventh grade or eighth grade. No, sorry, sixth or seventh grade. Those flip phones were a thing at the time, right?
yeah.
And they were every year they were just getting updated and updated. So you don't know what the next product was gonna be. So I remember during the Motorola series, there were two options to get. Either you could get a phone which has great like an MP3 player, or you could get one with the camera. So I got the camera one first, okay. And I quickly realized, dude, what am I going to do with the camera? I wanted music. So one day my phone fell in the pot, okay?
Okay.
But like pot was clean, nothing
And
was in
the
it.
phone took a picture of his shit. No, okay, good.
You have to flip it open to take it.
Just uploaded it also.
Super smart for that time.
Over smart.
Oh, a smartphone.
And that's how we found out about the choke in the pot. But anyway, so I took the phone out, okay? I was
Yeah.
like, fuck, okay, now it's gonna get fucked only, so I'll get a new phone. But that fucking phone just continued working, okay? So I washed my phone. I fully washed it with soap and everything to make sure it stops working. And then I
And
खराब हो
it's
गया.
still soap के साथ अच्छा खराब हो गया.
खराब करके बोला खराब हो गया so that I could get the MP3.
These flip
photo
phones
for a
were
phone.
crazy. My first phone was a Samsung flip phone, and then once it fell down and it stopped working, and I was like, "Fuck, it stopped working." Then a day later, it fell down again, galti se, and it just started working again. I was like, "Is this it?" I just keep
It's
dropping
like
it.
the old TV they used to hit that, just like that, dude.
Yeah, it just fell and completely back to functioning. I was like, "अरे बस गिरा रहा था क्या एक और बार
That's a
गलती से
plot
गिर गया?"
line. That was a plot line in old Hindi movies where someone loses their yadash and
Yeah.
they got to hit him at that exact spot.
Exact same spot.
And then it comes back.
Oh God, I am still very enamored with the new flip phones.
I
It's
haven't.
like,
I only
should
seen
I
in
spend
videos.
this money and get this, but it's like it's just useless.
Yeah,
Dude,
It's
and that
completely-
crease, you.
No,
they've gotten
not
good.
They've
way
got
Very
it
good.
way better.
Have they really?
Google
Yeah,
Pixel has really outdone themselves, dude. It looks fucking insane. No
Okay.
crease.
No, you
Yeah.
can't tell if there's a.
Yeah.
like it's
And that new, apparently, I saw this one which is only in China, which is the Xiaomi or I think the other OnePlus, Oppo or something.
Yeah,
Oppo.
yeah.
It's
Huawei.
almost nothing. The
do you
crease is
mean?
on the fold phone. There's almost no crease.
Or when you open it, you
Yeah,
can't tell.
it's insane
That
and
is
it's
crazy.
very expensive and like
That's the
all
thing, dude.
shusha in the phone like
Yeah.
10,000 mAh battery, MHA. I don't know.
It's too much, dude. That is, I mean, I don't need that much.
Yeah.
but-
And you know how they did it, how they promoted the phone. So the owner or CEO was on a flight and he just took it out and somebody zoomed in as like he's carrying a phone that we've not seen, and that's how they. And I think it was all
It was
like
all orchestrated.
all
There is
orchestrated.
no
yeah.
way. Somebody was like, yeah, this phone I have never seen before.
When are you really looking at another person's phone?
Phone. And even if
Except
you
if
are,
you're on the local train.
Yeah,
That's the only
Yeah,
time you look at
that's
the
all the
Exactly.
time, yeah, correct.
And
But-
what are the chances that this guy is a tech person, that he knows all the phones which are
This-
out there in the universe?
and exactly the CEO.
Yeah. Oh my God! I recognize the CEO of Oppo of all things. Not fucking Tim Cook, not Bill Gates or anything.
But do you spend your money on anything else other than like you play music a lot? Is
Yeah.
that
Yeah, so I waste a lot of money on stuff. So this is a fully functioning electric guitar.
Oh, that's the luggage.
Wow.
Yeah, that's literally
So-
like I got it just because I started sensing that these airline rules are changing very fast. And I was like, okay, my mother's like, hey, what do you want? I'm going to get you this nice shirt. And then my wife is like, hey, we'll get you this for Christmas. And I was like, okay, how about you put your money together?
Just pull it in.
And I've been looking at this weird thing, which I feel guilty buying. But if it is given as a gift, I don't
my
feel horrible about it.
That's a guitar?
That's a guitar, and I've been using it to tour. It's not the greatest sound in the world. I would always use an actual like full-on
Yeah.
like an acoustic or an electric. But the thing is, it
looks
slips on top of all the luggage.
Yeah, this is so
Man.
like sleek.
Yeah.
You can just put it anywhere.
As a comic, I don't need more. If I was
Yeah.
doing
Yeah.
like a music gig, then it's like, ठीक है. As a comic, I can handle this. I just need something to accompany and have my jokes and songs sound nice.
How expensive was the shirt you were getting that they pulled it together and they got this guitar?
So they wanted to get me these really nice, like thoda expensive kapde vapde.
Acha, acha.
Yeah.
And so then it's like, okay, so one third. So I was like, I pay the last 1/3 of it.
Can I see this?
And it's
This
like
is-
this was
Dude, this is
about
Do people-
200 pounds or something.
Do people look at it and like, where's the rest of your guitar? Do they
Yeah,
ask
है
that?
तो उसका वैसे यहाँ पे ना ऐसे वो आता है, so you can rest it. So there's like a metal piece which you can attach here and then you can rest it. So it becomes like a full guitar का shape and all that stuff. तो वो हो जाता है.
Yeah, there's a nice pick holder.
हाँ, नहीं वो मैंने लगाया.
अच्छा.
वो मेरा. That's sticky tape again. Just make
It looks good, dude.
Man, it's such a
Wow.
good-looking guitar. I wish I knew more than 2 songs on the guitar.
But dude, that's enough to get. So this is the cheapest guitar I have technically.
This is, wait, you said 200 pounds.
Yeah.
That's not
so it's
a
the
lot,
cheapest guitar I
actually.
have.
200 pounds is
20,000.
20,000 रुपया.
हाँ.
Which is
Okay.
like if you're getting a like a normal like if any Epiphone
Yeah,
would
correct.
cost you
Yeah, no, no,
25
yeah,
grand or
20,000
something.
is fine.
So it's
So
like
this is a good beginner's guitar, you'd say. Like
I
someone
mean,
it's a good beginner's guitar. It's a good guitar for people in the studio because then you can manipulate the sound and but like a live
Live
it's
mein
not
you
the
want a
best,
regular guitar.
but it's enough for me right now.
Yeah.
On tour, you take this guitar?
Right now I'm on tour. I take this guitar. But
Okay.
if I'm performing in London, then I'll carry my regular
Like, of
acoustic
course.
or like यहाँ पे है तो I'll borrow my dad's guitar or something, which he doesn't play. He keeps thinking he's gonna play.
He likes to believe he will play.
I said that in the last episode also. So I've been trying to play the guitar for 16 years. I first started when I was 15, and then I stopped because boards आ रहा था. So I stopped, and then again I started 11th standard के end में. Then 12th का boards आ गया, so I stopped again. Then I started again 2 years after that. Then in 3 months I stopped. So I knew the basics, but I never I'm a fucking amateur 16 years later. That is so long to be
But
an
do you
amateur.
remember everything from
Not
16
everything,
years
but
ago?
it'll come back if I just learn it again. In
Yeah.
5-6 months, I can reach a decent enough.
I saw a
stage.
reel where this dude was, and very funny, the dude was 16 years of playing guitar and he starts off with like one of the and 16 years later I didn't practice.
exactly that. So I like एक string मेरा टूट गया था, lower E string टूट गया था 1 साल पहले, okay? And then I never bought a new string. So the other day on Blinkit, I went on Blinkit to get the new string. It was sold out, but they had a guitar, another new guitar. So I bought a new guitar.
No, I do this with PS. So every time I put money together to buy a PlayStation,
Yeah.
it's like I want to get back into like I used to
gaming.
love playing games.
हाँ.
Just every time I collect money, वो जैसे ही 50,000 के पास पहुंचता है, then I'm like, wait, this new piece of tech is for 60,000. I can just get this guitar tech, and I've got like this new live looper. You know, the Ed Sheeran live looper. I just bought it for myself for my birthday.
Yeah.
And
Are you
it's
gonna perform in Bangalore with it?
I'm gonna perform it. Yeah. Guys, come to Church Street and watch me get pulled off.
Near another wall. This is another wall.
Dude, that was something else. And that's what I just end up wasting money more on like tech, or I'll buy another laptop, or it's like, oh, I can record more music on
How many
this.
laptops do
Yeah,
you
what
have?
do you
No.
mean by
I get
another?
rid of the old one and stuff like that.
You just
Or
keep
like
upgrading to the most
yeah,
recent
it's
one.
like okay, but now I have reached a point. I specifically bought the M2 iMac Air, MacBook Air. I didn't get and this is like with
You
the
didn't get the
M3,
M3, M4,
nothing.
M4 Max Pro.
I realized that I've finally figured out what type of musician I am.
Yeah.
I don't need the best pro tech gear.
But M2 is good enough for
It's
the best one also.
fantastic, and
Yeah.
get it now it's super cheap. Like wait for like the M4
Correct,
Mac Air,
correct, yeah.
तो और भी सस्ता होएगा 3-4
We both
महीने
got
में.
M1 when M2 got released
Yeah,
because M1
that's
became
what.
super cheap.
And then I was like, should I get M2? Then I was like, I open Google
The
Docs, dude.
the
I don't
max
need
they're opening is Google
Yeah.
Docs.
Google Docs, Google Sheets, and
No, but like the M1s are like fantastic with like recording audio. Like you can run, you
Yeah,
edit
yeah,
your
yeah.
entire podcast
Yeah,
on this.
we-
There's CapCut, which is a way better thing
For captions, na?
Nahi, for reel edits and like.
Oh, correct,
I've
correct.
edited 90-minute podcasts on CapCut.
On
Not-
CapCut?
Yeah, didn't get an FCP and all that shit. No, just like CapCut is a good app. It's been a because CapCut can cut your podcast in landscape as well as your reel wala thing. So it's like you get that and it's very comfortable.
Does it do multicam or no?
I think वो थोड़ा तो इतना औकात के बाहर नहीं जाना चाहिए ना.
He'll mirror it.
I'm
He'll
sure
mirror the
yeah,
same
just
footage.
mirror it. But it's been great. So it's like I've realized this is my level, and then you don't need to spend more than that.
Dude,
so now I know I'm
absolutely.
not going to buy more tech for the next 5 years. I'm अभी पेट भर गया.
Unless you start saving up for a PS5.
PS5.
again.
Yeah, unless the PS6 comes out,
Yeah.
okay, need to get this. Dude, I have a whole desk setup inside. I have a Bluetooth keyboard, mouse, screen, laptop, everything. And then every morning I go there to open notes, my notes app on my laptop.
Yeah.
I use a Bluetooth keyboard to type
Dude.
calendar invites. That's what I do.
But you know, with my M1 laptop, I had opened so many tabs and forgotten to shut it that it got a little slow.
Yeah, it does.
I was like, I did this to my M1 laptop, dude. It's getting slow. This is so fast. They said it's revolutionary, but that laptop not with me. That laptop's like, fuck, मैं जो 100 tabs कौन खोल के रखता है यार?
I just now want to just not buy tech for 5 years at least.
Why 5 years?
It's like after that, like there'll be some massive jump.
We've
that'll
also
happen.
reached a point of standstill in terms
Yeah.
of technological advancement. Like even the phones, how better can they get?
Yeah.
See, I let go of a laptop for 3 years. I wasn't using a laptop. I was using only an iPad Pro.
Oh, yeah, I remember when we were working on that show also,
Yeah.
that social show, you only had an iPad and
Yeah.
you were creating music on the iPad.
Yeah.
What?
Yeah.
Yeah, so I was recording music, I was doing everything. And now when they released that M4 iPad, I was like, this is great. But मैंने वो 30,000 का laptop, वो keyboard भी लिया था to make it like a laptop. Then these guys went, okay, this new iPad requires a new keyboard. That's when I was like, तुम उल्लू बना रहे हैं. This you didn't even let that keyboard be there for 2 generations. And I tried to sell that keyboard. That keyboard's value was 6,000 rupees now. मेरा जो बंदा है
From 30?
या 4 बंगला में मेरा बंदा सर इसका मैं 3,000 दूंगा खाली. Like what? ज्यादा से ज्यादा अगर आप iPad दोगे तो मैं चलो 5,000 कर देता हूँ दोनों का कॉम्बिनेशन.
iPad के साथ?
नहीं iPad then वही the combination में is like iPad का ये
अच्छा,
हाँ,
अच्छा,
30,000 दे दूंगा और इसका ये दे
Just
दूंगा.
the keyboard he was selling
Yeah,
for
तो
3K.
it's like अच्छा ठीक है, but it's just like what the hell, man.
30,000 से 6,000, 3,000 is...
So I got as much as I could out of it, and now it's like it's a great second screen and great for watching like movies and stuff. But I edit also on that stuff, so it's good. But I'm done. I don't need more.
Yeah.
It doesn't like. But I realized how much I was missing out on a laptop. Like yeah.
Even
it's
I
just-
lived on my iPad for like a year or so. Like, I don't need a fucking laptop. I only need Google Docs, but you really do need a laptop.
No, I had my old MacBook Air for 6-7 years. I was like, why do I need this?
It's good.
Why do I need a new one? Then it just shut down. So I was like, now I need
Go,
it.
let me go.
Yeah, I was like, okay, I'll let you go.
I'll always remember you.
Just नीचे हो.
Yeah, until then I
Leonardo
just,
DiCaprio जा रहा है पानी में.
I just kept being like, why do I need one? And that MacBook was like, you need a new one. I'm fucking off. But then the MacBook M1 was, I was just like, dude, this is a big jump. It feels good
Yeah.
when you move
Yeah,
after a few
after
years.
a few years. Otherwise,
Yeah,
you
yeah.
can't tell the difference. Dude, I remember when we were doing that show, the talk show,
हाँ.
I realized how far away I am in my career because I was like, okay, I got that gig, I'll pay my rent next month. And I spoke to Adar and I was like, yeah, I'm just going to finish this gig and I'm going to move to London next month.
Yeah. It was so bizarre. I've been wasting so much money on like just basic stuff. I've stopped going out
Dude, London is so
go out to eat.
expensive. bro.
London's expensive, no?
And it's like just like understanding where like we have a specific place we buy potatoes from and a separate place we buy coriander from.
Because it's cheaper.
Because हाँ तो it's like यहाँ पे सबसे सस्ता ये मिलता है, यहाँ पे सस्ता canned goods यहाँ पे मिलता है, तो we have specific. There's one place where we just buy tofu because it's a Korean shop which just has like tofu and good spices. तो वहाँ से वो लेना चाहिए क्योंकि वहाँ पे 1 pound में मिलता है, बाकी सब जगह 2.5 pound में मिल रहा है. तो ये क्या बकवास चल रहा है? And they make better quality tofu because there's a Korean store, fucking fresh stuff is coming. So all these things you gotta figure out, which I never bothered with here.
Yeah.
And like you're spending like a high net worth individual, and you're living like a no net worth individual. It's bizarre. And
The contrast is insane.
Yeah,
But
and-
there, I think also it's easier to go to these shops because walking is just easier, right? Because of the weather. In Bombay, you don't get to do that. Like in India specifically, you don't just go out to buy shit.
I did that once because I had just come, and I
Yeah.
was like, okay, I just had a afternoon thoda fun Sunday
Yeah.
gig at Khar. And then Juhu mein there was another J Spot.
J-Spot,
So there's
yeah.
2 places
Yeah.
that
Yeah.
about a 2-hour walk.
2-hour walk.
From Bandra to
Yeah.
yeah.
Just not okay. I was like, okay, I'll just get on SV Road and I'll walk.
Oh my god.
And it didn't strike me how bad it was where I reached Juhu. And I knew I need a change of shirt before I went on stage. But I didn't realize the lungs can't take the 2 hours. just going under a bridge. Just walking under the metro for 2 hours.
At least this is after you came back from London. I've lived here only, and I once was like, you know what? I'll go cycling on the highway. Let's go
Aye.
cycling. Dude, it was the scariest 5 minutes because then I took a U-turn. I was like, I am not cycling in this fucking city.
I did something terrible to a friend, okay? You know Chinmay, right? So Chinmay, I asked Chinmay had a bicycle and I asked him, are you using it? He said, no, come take it. I like, cool. So I went to his house, I picked up the bicycle, okay? And he lived close to another friend of mine. So I went to his building after picking up the cycle to meet him. I went there, I chilled. And then I was too lazy. So I just left the bicycle in his building and came back in an auto because he was in Andheri. How was I going to come back to car?
Yeah.
And it has been almost 3 years now. The
The
cycle
bike is still there. I doubt the bike is still there.
I don't
bike
think
is
it's
not
there.
there.
I don't think it's there.
It's a kabadi में चला गया है और
Not
it's been
only
stolen.
do you waste your money, you waste other people's money without their permission. You
Poor
just-
guy, dude.
you just
You
wait.
took it like 1 kilometer away from his house.
I could have just dropped it back to his house
dude,
also.
exactly.
You're right. But I was just too lazy. It was 7 in the evening. Some friends were coming over later. I'm like, fine. I'll just take
What, the friends were coming over for 3 years or what? Man? Did he go back?
He never met that other friend is what the problem is.
Sorry?
You never went to meet
Whoever
the
you
other
left the
friend.
cycle at. Wait,
I meet him.
You meet him also.
Yeah, he's like, hey, your cycle, I saw it the other day. Like, okay, great.
Just
It's still there.
disgusting,
But that was
dude.
2 years ago, and then he got married and moved away.
It's
wait.
like एक दिन मेरे बच्चे साइकिल चला गया.
ये rusty cycle
The
एक
child is like, I want a cycle, Papa. Wait, I have one. And he's just calling it, bro. कहाँ छोड़ा cycle?
Raheja building.
Adar, I have a question. You grew up in a family of musicians.
हाँ.
What is the craziest piece of music tech that you have in your house?
In my house,
Yeah.
I don't have much. I was very afraid to ask my father
Yeah.
for because it was like I'm wasting his money. So it was always a very. That's where the relationship was like, "Arey, I don't want to spend because he's already explained to me that money is very scarce.
Yeah, and it's
in the
10
house."
rupees more.
Yeah, and then it's like so. If you had to create a studio, it was a blanket cost of 12 lakh investment.
Oh, shit.
And then you learn how to use it.
Yeah.
So now you gotta put in 12 lakhs to be able to mess around with
Just
the tech.
learn. Yeah. And
So
there's
now-
no probability that
And you
may
have to
even
keep
make
upgrading.
It. Yeah, correct.
Like I know Amal, where every time he produces and like I was watching him, it's like, fuck, dude, these guys came up with an upgrade. So now his Hans Zimmer strings is a patch that he wanted to buy. So it's like literally
Like a sample pack.
yeah, it's a sample pack where you just go da 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 all the strings. Like, oh, that cost $25,000.
Oh my god.
I was like,
You're
I
just
need to get it.
torrent dude.
I need to get it because he's like, if I have to do a turnaround for an ad for some stuff like that, and they're like, they want this, they want that vibe, and they've sent me the Dark Knight ka music as reference. I need this
Need
patch.
this pack.
So if
But
I'm
can't he
making
make the
1 lakh
producers
rupees,
pay
I
for
need to
it?
spend 25,000. No, that's because
Why?
then they'll want it also.
No,
no?
I'm saying, what if the producers pay for it? Whoever wants.
I mean, why would they pay for it?
Nobody is gonna pay for anything.
Yeah,
so
yeah,
that's
yeah,
the thing. And like everybody wants it for free because it's like, अरे देख मैंने तेको करने दिया, and like So
But then you
it's
can use that sample in multiple
perpetuity.
songs.
Yeah, but it's like no, but then the sample also has upgrades, no? So then you're constantly buying the upgrades. So you gotta keep upping your software. So it's like it's a constant spending. thing.
Basically, Hans Zimmer is the one making money. He's the only
I
one.
don't even think somebody created the Hans Zimmer. Some coder in San Francisco is like, yeah, isko main AI ke saath banaunga.
Suno
Hans
AI,
Zimmer's
yes.
like, why was I calling 50 musicians?
He must also be a musician who got a Dark Knight reference. I'm not buying this.
I'm gonna make my own.
Yeah. Like imagine Hans Zimmer submits a piece of music. It's like, bro, this is not. Can you do this? And then sending him his own reference.
I'm like, hey, can you get this cleared? Actually, this is not cleared.
You know, this has happened. I mean, not Hans Zimmer level. I'm just saying, I was doing some brand work, and then they sent me a reference key. This is what we want. It was my reel only. I was like, what do you want?
Can you match the quality here? It's like first you're thinking, do they mean the joke quality or just the video
It's
quality?
like, how can you send my video as reference, dude? This is me.
Your hand was stronger in the other video. The angle was correct.
Govind बैठ के यहाँ पे curls कर रहा है. Fucking-
But the hand thing happened in a recent one where I did it. I watched it. By the end, my hair is not in frame because my hand has come down so much. Oh wait, I want to show my product now before we. This is, I mean, I'm sure this is a very normal thing that everyone has had, but I can't believe I only got to know about this now. This is the pimple patch thing. Did you know there was a pimple patch?
Yeah.
I can't believe everyone knew about it. Why
I
didn't
think
know it?
it's gotten popular in recent days.
Yeah.
The thing is,
just salicylic acid and some acids
Yeah.
inside. Yeah.
Govind, the reason both of these people knew about it was because they've had girlfriends.
but I've also had girl. It's not
No,
like I've
we
never talked
haven't.
to a woman.
No, but
Also-
they haven't been in relationships where
Arey,
people
but
come up
dude-
to us and tell us how to take care of us.
But see, all it takes, they can see the pimples still, lah, with the women in my life.
But in
They
the
can
first-
be like, hey, put that.
But in the first
This
2
also a
months,
friend told me. I'm not dating. A friend only told me. She told me to use this when she saw the pimple. Why didn't no one
I
tell
think
me?
she was waiting for you to get a girlfriend. Like, "Isse nahi hone wala hai. Let me just step in right now.
Yeah. That
You know what,
was she was
Govind?
signaling to you that she likes you, dude.
Or that.
That's
No,
it.
or she was like, Govind, I've been meaning, you've had that pimple for 6 years. No woman has.
I need to introduce you to my parents. Please get rid of it. Just once.
But this is, the thing is, I've also not, during puberty, I've never had pimples, nothing. Like,
Okay.
I mean, nothing has come to.
I don't think they've been around forever. I don't think they were around when you were
This is
hitting
all new,
puberty.
yeah, this is
Yeah,
all
Are you calling me old? Dude?
Yeah,
Yeah.
absolutely. Dude,
Yeah,
I
yeah.
also, even in my time, they weren't around.
Now you get like patterned one, like bedazzled ones and
Oh yeah,
star
the people
shapes.
with certain
Stars.
stars.
Yeah,
and
exactly.
like
Hearts,
ऐसे
yeah,
करके.
yeah. Correct.
So it's like instead of trying to hide it, they're like, yeah, fuck it. let
Celebrate
it.
it.
Yeah, just
Yes.
like it's there.
I have 50 pimples today. Just decorate your face.
Just all over. You're like, no, I just have STD. It's just an STD.
Sir, are you going to office or a Coldplay concert? Just make up your mind.
But this, I guess this helps. It's just, I didn't know there were solutions to
Yeah.
pimples. I just thought
No,
you
solutions to
pop it.
pimples were always
Yeah, there are creams and shit. This is roaming
Have you
around.
heard of this thing called dermatology?
What is a dermatologist?
He's like, I don't know, there were solutions to
Yeah,
pimple
the-
as if it's cancer.
I've barely had pimples.
Pimples are for
in my
life.
There is a vaccine for cancer also.
Wait, there is?
Yeah, Russia. So Putin just announced. So basically,
Yeah.
it's just like I think it's like a massive PR campaign. He just come and got, we have found the cure for cancer, and just put out like we have the vaccine. So now it's like, oh, only Russia has the vaccine for cancer.
Oh, it's the race to the moon all over again.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah,
So,
it's
yeah.
happening.
Also,
again.
it's like because they've been doing so much horrible
Yeah,
shit. It's
yeah,
like
yeah.
suddenly like, oh, they have, but they found the cure for cancer. It's like,
What great PR
That's
they
what I'm
just.
trying to say. They've gotten a new PR person. Like,
Yeah.
sir, this is
just
what we
say
need.
it. Who's going to try to take it?
Nobody-
Do you think anybody is going to trust the Russian vaccine?
Also, how do you test it?
On animals, I
No,
guess.
like if you take the cancer vaccine,
Yeah.
Yeah.
what if you were never going to get cancer anyway?
Yeah, but that's what happened. Because of the vaccine, you didn't get.
Yeah,
Exactly.
yeah.
So now how do you, there's no way to know.
I
Starting
mean, you
to
trust
start, dude.
Putin,
Yeah.
dude. That's how. But that's so great. You attack Ukraine and then you're like, but cancer we
Yeah.
solve.
Hey,
Fuck,
but-
I don't know
yeah.
if I hate them or I love
These
them.
Ukrainians
As
don't-
many as they're killing. No.
Yeah,
We want to make Ukraine cancer free. That's why it's great.
Oh.
That's why they're
Oh,
doing
no.
it. You don't
That
get it,
was
guys.
your whole
Yes,
plot.
exactly.
Oh no.
We solved the crisis.
But thank you
Your
for
friend.
solving.
Yeah.
I bet you lose that sachet before your next pimple. Without a doubt.
Arey, kya, I won't get more
Just put
pimples.
it on your pimple first of all. I don't know why you're just keeping
But I
it.
don't think they're meant for your butt.
Yeah.
It's just you need a bigger. It's like you struck 7. Like, sir, this is
With a
not for
star.
hemorrhoids. It's not
With
for
a star.
hemorrhoids.
With a star also. It's just there on my butt. No, this pimple, I put it for one day, then I just forgot. I just forgot to put it. But thank you, Quench, made in Korea.
Yeah.
It's
Koreans know how to
something
do
you
it,
would
dude.
drink. Do they expect you to
thirst.
burst your pimples and
I thought that's how you get rid of it. You just burst your pimple. I didn't know there were other methods.
So there's this thing where South Korea. So a lot of people there's this thing called medical tourism.
Yeah, I know.
Like
what you're
Turkey
talking
has hair
transplant.
transplant and all that, and so a lot of plastic surgeries. So like a lot of Chinese tourists are going to Korea and doing like getting a nose job and everything done, and it's like there's no stigma in
Korea.
South Korea and Bangkok and
correct.
stuff like that for getting this done. It's the
Yeah.
most normal thing. So they go get it done, and then when they're coming back to China, the immigration cameras are not recognizing the
Great.
face, so the
Hilarious.
scans are not matching, and
So
they're not
funny.
letting them in the country.
So
What
funny,
the
dude.
fuck is this? This looks completely different from a passport. So it's like just testament to how good South Korea is with
They're
plastic
doing-
surgery.
They're doing so
So
good. I don't
good.
think this happens at Turkey because you just come back with hair.
Dude, it's just when you get on a flight, sometimes it's just like how many people got hit in the head. It's just covered. It's like why couldn't you spend 4 days extra and get the bandage? Why is this like? It's like me coming for this podcast. It's like now come go. You come and go. You can't spend any like you can't like do
You've seen
sightseeing.
those on a flight award?
Yeah,
All these
it's just
people?
like, yeah, there's just everybody's like they've got like bandages on their head and stuff. Like,
Yeah.
you 4 दिन recover कर लेना यार. Why
Cap
you
पहले यार.
but
I don't know if you can wear a cap.
Ruin the
Yeah.
plugs or something, na? So that
Do
will
you
happen.
remember those caps जैसे बीच में छेद रहता था बस आगे वाला रहता है?
Ah,
yeah.
The Tuffy used to
Yes,
wear
yes,
that
yes,
in
yes,
Hum
yes.
Aapke Hai Kaun.
Correct.
Yes.
But then what's the point of the cap if वो bandages तो दिखेंगे ही ना
Actually,
इसमें.
Yeah.
But fuck, it's really filled. I've seen reels where it's just people with those outlines and all
Yeah.
everywhere. But I didn't know.
It's funny, but it does happen. It's like some of the flights but also like I've seen I took Turkish Airlines once because it was a cheap flight to London. I've been doing horribly cheap flights, by the way.
Oh, on test only I saw you. Fuck, I forgot the amount, but it was
2000. Yeah, I did a business class ticket for 2,000
Correct,
rupees.
correct, correct,
the
correct. Yeah, I saw that.
Because you gather miles and stuff, na. So it's just
Yeah.
I became so good at.
Good at-
I was very. I didn't have money when I started dating my current wife.
Current wife.
Yeah, it's just like because I'm Muslim.
Anything
Options.
else?
And so she started working in Qatar. Okay, and it was like, oh my god, how do I get to her? Because I don't have the money. And it used to be a little embarrassing because you don't have the money, and you want to
Meet. Of
reach
course.
her and meet her. and
Yeah.
so randomly a friend went like, and I was missing her, and my friend goes, hey, can you open a Jet Privilege account? And I've not bothered with this, and she opened my account, and she's like, yeah, your ticket can basically be free, and that's when it just like, what?
Wait, you
Free?
did not know you were collecting points?
Yeah, because you keep flying, you have this jet privilege number. No one gave a fuck. Yeah, we were like 22, 20. No, I was 26 at the time or something, 27. And I didn't know that. That's when I made my account. I started dating her at 29 or something. So imagine.
Oh, 3 years.
Yeah, I just
3-4 years, whatever.
But उसमें भी क्या 10,000 points
Correct,
कुछ हुआ था
correct.
because I would half the time I would forget. Yeah, so whatever jet was like automatically अरे ये बंदा travel कर रहा है इसको. Just some diligent employee just put my name and number. So it became free, and I was like, oh, this is something
That's
special. Then I
so
started
cool.
gathering points
Points,
after
yeah.
another, and it's like, and then Vistara got absorbed, and so then we started like. I started doing like all my expenses, like my father's electricity bill, ghar ka rent, everything goes on a credit. All insurance premiums.
Ah,
use
to collect
all the points.
So there are places where you can invest.
Through your credit card?
Yes.
What?
So I am not spending money at all. So it's like, okay, there's these things called life insurance
Yeah,
schemes
yeah,
or something.
yeah.
So you commit to like, 50,000, 1
Correct,
lakh
correct.
rupees a year that
Yeah.
you're going to do in like a lump sum amount. 1 lakh rupees, and that's a lot of points. and you've invested the money. You've not wasted it on a laptop or
Oh yeah,
something.
same. Even the insurance I bought for my mom and myself last year was on my credit card.
It's this investment life insurance thing,
Yes,
which is
yes,
very
yes.
popular. But like you do it as a side thing. It's not like don't take this investment advice.
Yeah, absolutely not.
Please.
No, they know.
You trust your people who are like handling your stuff. But like that's one of the things that I do, and I just bump it on the credit card. And like
And it's a skill to know how to use those points. Dude. I have
Yeah.
no clue.
Yeah,
It
how
also
to
depends
use.
on what credit card you have. You have to get that particular credit
Ha,
card.
ha, ha,
like
ha,
the three
also
best
that.
ones right now, if I can do, is like the Axis. There's an Axis Magnus Burgundy or something.
Yeah.
Then there's the HDFC Infinia.
Infinia, yeah.
And there's one of the Amexes. Like Amex, why it's 70,000 ka card hai. But technically, if you're going to spend on one return flight, is 70,000 bucks. Except this will last you for the year, and you will get that flight also.
Correct also.
So it's that logic.
It must feel great to spend 2,000 to go to London in business
dude,
class.
Yeah,
that's
yeah.
insane.
And pretend like just be like, hey, मेरा खाना कहाँ है यहाँ पर?
I don't know why people. I said I watched somebody do that in a flight when I was coming back right now.
Yeah.
And it was full. First of all, though, I didn't know Indigo had this other Eastern European airline that they do a code share with.
What?
Yeah,
Which
and
airline?
it's this entirely East European crew. I had no idea. And we get on the flight, and everybody's a little shell shocked because, hello everybody, this and they're like, what is this flight? कहाँ जा रहे हैं हम लोग? मैं चेन्नई से बॉम्बे आना था मुझे. So it's and the pilot is also yes, this craft wasn't meant for this, but we have to do this. He's already pissed. Why are you telling us this? It wasn't meant for this.
None of
It's
us
meant
wanted
to-
to be here, but we have to be here, so now it's your problem.
Our bosses told us what to do.
Fuck Indigo. And
So it's just some Turkish airline, and it's just like one of those Turkish like side airlines. It's not
Yeah.
like So they're there, and like the entire crew, this East European crew is dressed in Indigo clothes.
what?
And then they're there, and she's like, there was already too much stuff on the
Yeah.
plane because everybody has 5 bags.
Yeah.
So there's one guy with this patla sa ek laptop ka bag. He just has his laptop in it, and someone removed that. Whose bag is this? And he's like, it's mine. So I'm gonna please keep it at the back. He's like, no, I would rather you keep it here. No, I need to keep it at the back. It's like, I don't know. No fucks. It's like, no fucks about his laptop. And it's like, you do what you want. And he's so pissed off at everything. And then you saw him like, all his orders were like, please, I want food now. And then he's like,
He
"You
used
fucked
it to
over."
his advantage.
Yeah, you
Of course,
fucked it
of
over. You
course.
fucked me over. Now you're gonna do this for me. So like, he's just like angry old man.
That's actually great. Okay, keep it back. Hey, come here! And then after that, just start shouting at them.
So they made me keep my bag at the back.
Yeah.
Okay, and I was at the front of the plane. Now the problem is now the whole point of getting that front seat is nullified
Yeah.
because now I have to go. I have to wait for all these people just getting in. And now the guy next to me, they had also done the same thing. It was a couple. And then this guy goes, "Can I get the bag in front for landing?" So this guy goes and bag लेके इसने यहाँ पे रख दिया. तो मैंने बोला, "Can I also get my
Yeah.
guitar and this for landing?" So I go back and now we've landed with the bags ऐसे पकड़े. Then nobody gives a fuck. I was like, I'm loving this East European. It's like no fucks given. If I'd asked them, can I have a parachute? मेरा घर यहाँ पे है. They would be, हाँ, here's the parachute. You return. You return later on.
Parachute लेके.
Yes, vaccine cancer. It's just free with every boarding pass.
But wait, this is a domestic flight.
Yeah. So it's like I think
So
they've
what are
just-
they doing in India?
I think they bought this airline, and it's like the same thing. Like a lot of the, I think Vistara flights still have the because it's an expensive thing
of
to do,
course,
and
of
you
course.
still want the airlines to be functioning.
Yeah.
So I think that's the only thing.
Wow, I never
It's
thought.
insane. They have to live in Chennai and then fly to Bombay every day.
Yeah, it has nothing to do with Eastern Europe or any other country.
Oh, of
It
course.
Chennai.
would be
they're
worse if they're flying from Istanbul to Chennai to Bombay, and that's why the pilot like we were not meant for this. we were supposed to go straight to Bombay.
This is like when you are with a friend or anyone, and then they're like, "अरे मेरे को एक और काम है, वहाँ चल." You're like, "अरे यार, I wasn't meant to do this."
Plan this. It wasn't in my schedule. I have calls, I have work.
Wait, you have something on your wish list.
I
also, no?
have this thing I want to buy. So you see that regulator of the fan that broke. Okay.
No
on
one
top.
else sees this, by the way.
So there was for
camera.
you.
There's a regulator.
There's a fan regulator thing.
We
and
don't have
the
to
knob-
point to the. There's a fan that has a regulator.
It's
yes.
actually there.
Yeah.
This is mirrored.
People know what fan regulators are, guys.
So So the knob of the fan regulator is broken. Okay, for
Yeah.
context. And I was trying to find a new regulator to fix it because I can still change the settings, but it's just there's no friction, so it's very difficult to do it. I couldn't find a knob that fits this, so now I have to get a new fan.
A new. Okay.
What?
Huh?
Yeah, I mean
What?
that's what I'm thinking of getting a new fan, but I don't want this regulator bullshit again. So
Remote,
I'm
smart,
getting a remote.
fan.
I'm getting a remote.
And you lose your
Fan.
remote.
That's the second thing. So there are two different kind of fans available. One is
one is
just
on the
remote
app.
and one is smart app enabled. And the
Nice.
difference is only like 1200, 1300. So if I lose the remote, I'll always have my phone with me and then I can control my fan.
What if the app doesn't connect one day?
No. The apps are so. This friend of mine
Antrich.
has like my brother-in-law.
Yeah.
So I was at his house and there was this one light that I needed
Yeah.
next to his couch
Yeah.
for shooting a video,
Yeah.
and it's just perfect light.
Yeah.
And I'm like, I can't figure it out. There's the buttons not working. And it's like, oh no, it's the Wi-Fi light. I was like, okay. And he's somewhere in Bulandshahr handling a wedding. He's the event.
Oh
planner.
wait, he's not even in the house.
Not in the house. So it's,
Oh.
sorry, I'll turn it on for you. And he just switched it on. And
There you
is
go.
Is that bright enough for you? He's like, nah, thoda aur bada. I'm telling this dude on the
He's in a
phone.
different city. What?
Oh, that's genius.
Okay, then
So
yeah.
bizarre.
I have a smart AC.
Yeah.
You have
Which
a
I can
smart
control
AC?
from here. I can switch it on at home.
You can fuck with Govind.
Yeah,
He's just
exactly,
sleeping
yeah.
and then suddenly, "Arey, pankha bana kya?"
I do that to him on Spotify.
Yeah. You
I'm
do.
connected to his TV Spotify somehow.
sign him
okay?
out.
No, I started playing bhajan.
And it's so scary because I'm just on my couch on my phone and suddenly bam, like, what the fuck? Who played this?
Once I put a Mahabharat podcast on.
Oh, some of them are fantastic, dude.
Yeah. Suddenly comes on.
No,
Bro.
no, we'll beep all of this.
Yeah, it has to be beeped. We don't want to give our 2 cents.
Yeah.
2 rupees.
yeah.
We don't use cents.
My
here.
father's
No bucks,
very
2
cheap.
bucks.
I can't afford 2 rupees to live.
Man.
2 rupees used to be 1 rupee back in the day.
Bye.
But Oshang, back to the regulator.
Yeah.
Why? What do
Right.
you mean you're not getting
I
that size?
asked
How many people
the
you asked?
electrician came. I one
I
electrician.
know you asked one person and then you were like, what about
Because
smart?
I don't go against his words, dude, because this guy I've had for like years and he has done a lot of work in my house. So if he says ki nahi mil raha hai, I just trust him.
I can see that that's a very normal
Yeah,
size
dude.
regulator.
But he tried to bring it in, but it's just not moving. Something is off with it. So I
But
also
that-
don't need to.
Can't they just put a new regulator for the already
Yeah, they
existing
can.
fan?
They can.
Yeah, but then I also have to
But
get up
then-
and change it
That's-
every time. If I can eliminate
you want
that.
to upgrade, yeah. You
Yeah,
want to
yeah,
use it
yeah,
as
yeah.
upgrade.
You know
It
what?
is an
You can also,
excuse.
you
Yeah.
know what you can
Pretty
also
much.
do. You can get an extender for an existing plug next to where you're sitting.
But that's too much wire. That's so
you know
much
what?
wire.
You
I'll
know what
trip
you
and
can
fall.
do? You can get a stick and just just start
Come
moving
on.
it.
Oh no, I'll tell you what. So this is you actually have a problem and you're trying to upgrade.
Yeah.
So when I got the Holyland, which
Yeah,
is that
yeah.
little button mic, so it's
Correct,
very
yeah.
light and everything. And 3 months before, or theek hai, maybe 8 months before, I had got another company which is Fulham, which is very good again. Again, great mic, except it was that rectangular mic, which is to pull down on your clothes.
You used it on one of your episodes.
Yeah, and I
saw
used
it.
to have like a lovely stand, and it's like it's got a nice mic stand and stuff. So I used to love it. And then this came out, and I'm like, "Fuck, this is perfect."
Yeah.
It's almost the same price. Yeah, it's great. It's just looking like a button. And then I had to convince my sister to start her own podcast.
so you can give the
Yeah, and I gave it to her.
Nice.
This is for you for starting your own podcast. I'm
Oh, you're so
investing in your future.
Which she started also.
She's not starting. But I convinced her that she should.
Such a big plan. You should start a podcast. You know what I'll think about you. Here's an Holyland.
Oh my god, my brother's the best.
I don't even know what the podcast is about, but it'll sound great.
Think about it while wearing this.
Think out loud so you can record it.
Yeah, I also got a Holyland because again, when I shoot reels at home, I shoot at 3-4K around in the afternoon, evening, whatever it is, and that's when right under my house, like it's the whole society ka, it's a circular pura society. So right under my house is a turf where like kids play at that time. So every time I was recording without the Holyland, it was so tough because I'd record something halfway through. पीछे से बैकग्राउंड से आएगा, अबे लौड़े मारना नहीं आता है क्या? And I'd be like, यार ये सब मैं कैसे डालूं भाई, ये तो ब्रांड के लिए है भाई ये पीछे. अबे
So like some kids, so turf पे there's older kids, so it's a lada,
Yeah.
all that thing. So in my building, in my parents' building, it's children. So it's like under 10. If you didn't know that there were children playing down, it sounds like there is a axe murderer just running behind children and they're going, that's for 3 hours. Sometimes I'm like 9:30 तक कौन बच्चा खेलता है? How are these parents allowing this? We used to do
become
all the
uncles.
time.
Yeah,
oh
yeah.
no, सच में axe murder हो रहा है.
घर जाओ.
But that Hollyland helps. It's
Yeah.
so. I'm so glad no laude the background.
I was thinking of buying one, or the Holylander, but he bought it and it comes with 2 pieces. My flatmate Shreyas bought it, that has 2 pieces, so I just use theirs now. Why do I
एक
need
उसका एक उसका now you have to. They can keep one.
And Antriksh also has a
I have a
DJI
DJI
one.
one because it pairs wirelessly with my DJI camera.
That's
this
so good.
So basically, Hoshan can have 3 mics just
and
buttoned
still
up.
not talk in the mic.
He's looking up and down.
This is so funny, dude, that you still have a headphone.
Dude, but honestly, I'm having a blast. I can hear myself properly.
Yeah,
I
yeah.
know when to speak in the mic, when not to speak in the mic. If I'm laughing too loudly, everything is clear.
That's good. Oh, the people had a problem with us laughing on.
Yeah,
So I
yeah.
anyway have a fake laughing problem, which I knew, like I've known for years. That it's nothing. I just don't know how to react. Sometimes I'm like, oh, like if I just stare at the other person, they'd be like, how rude, dude. So I just go the other extreme where I'm like, so now people have started calling me out also, ki, dude, stop fucking fake
Shit,
laughing.
now we don't know if you are fake laughing or
No,
regular
it's
laughing
pretty
throughout
obvious.
this episode.
This entire episode.
Yeah,
is
that's
like,
insane
what
to
the
tell in front of your guest.
fuck? I came all the way from London.
No, it's very easy to understand when it's a fake laugh. But okay, thank you so much for coming.
Thank
on
you.
this podcast,
Thank
man.
you.
Do you
Thank you for
want
having me.
to plug something that the TIS viewers?
Yeah.
This will go out in 2 weeks.
Yeah.
After 2
Yeah.
weeks.
Okay, so we're doing. Then I'm doing shows. I'm going to be doing shows on March 1st and 2nd in Mumbai, and on 16th of March in Bangalore at Underground Comedy. So come over, and I'll send these guys links if they can
Yes.
pin my link.
Perfect. Thank
And-
you.
Yeah. Antriksh will have the links, dude.
Yeah,
Yeah, absolutely. And by the time this episode comes out, we would have already done a couple of our live shows.
Oh, yeah, that's
and
true.
we are planning to do a lot more of
Yeah.
these. So please
Yeah.
make sure to buy tickets for those and
Yeah.
for that Filming Game Show Live. 'cause
If
why
you
not do
don't
now?
see this part in the episode, then assume that the shows didn't go well.
I'm going to cut this part out, edit it.
And we're not going to do more shows. Actually, now we're not doing this only. This podcast is
So
done.
like, what can people expect in a live show? Because it's like
More Amazon reviews.
That's just the entire show. Just all dependent on Antariksh looking through his phone. I was like, यहाँ पे Wi-Fi नहीं आ रहा है. Fuck. This entire show is fucked.
But we're trying to do more stuff in the live show.
Uh-huh.
And
We're
it
trying to
takes
include guests, like the audiences
audience
as much
also,
possible
whatever
in
their
the show.
products are, how they spend money and all.
Yeah.
I
Nice.
think that's the best way to go about in live show. Just be like, what do you do? Audience भी आ जाएगा बस.
All these influencers have really taken over
Yeah,
everything. This
yeah.
is a great place to be in.
Yeah,
It's like, yeah.
We
you
want to do
need-
the opposite of all the influencers are doing.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But-
We should get Ankur Wariku and tell him ke
कहाँ
waste your
खर्चा
money.
किया है, कहाँ
कहाँ
खर्च
waste
किया
your money. That's great actually.
We thought about it beach
We
mein.
met
Just,
that guy, na, finance with Soho.
yeah, he's very weird. I'm sorry if you're watching this. if you're watching this also, you're very weird. But okay, cool.
He was super strange. Yeah.
Too much attitude. I mean, because he was right here and I was like, hey, and he's like, your Instagram, Govind, right? Govind, right? It's like, dude, we've been following each other for. You don't need to pretend like you don't know me only. Like,
I see you see my stories. dude.
Yeah, you can just be like, hey, and then we'll both go. You
No,
know,
I wanted to do that, but then like when I came here, I was like, I wanted to do that, and I realized, no, wait, these guys paid for my ticket from London. So it's fine.
Yeah,
It doesn't make sense that I don't know them because they've clearly paid for
that
my
reminds me, Other
Without miles. We paid.
Your flight is due. You're already late.
Other your Uber's here to go to the
Oh
airport.
shit! An extra charge भी पड़ेगा 50 rupees का. It's been waiting.
Directly to the airport. Your luggage is right outside. We've kept it there. But thank you so much for
Thank
coming.
you so
That's
much.
very
Lot of fun.
See you.
Bye
Bye
bye.
bye bye bye.